It's me, Andre. How's it going?
It's going well. Good morning to you. Before we get going here, I had sent over that invite after we had our conversation last week. Basically, an overview of everything you and I had talked about, some examples and so forth of the video we discussed. Did you get an opportunity to review that, jot down any notes or questions that you might have had?
Yeah, I had a few questions, and I discussed this with some associates, colleagues of mine that have worked with, Ty Lopez and or know people that have worked for Grant Cardone. We were discussing the legitimacy of this, would it work, also, the common doubts, concerns, and also potentials, and we're just weighing things out. But very, very basic questions. That's it. Yeah.
All right. Well, listen. Before you start asking us, I want to bring on Kevin's Vice President Gary Williams, who is on here. He, has a lot of involvement with these types of productions. So he's the gentleman that will be able to field and, of course, answer those questions. So I'm going to turn this call over to him. Gary, I know you're waiting in the wings.
What's up, you guys? So yeah, that was a beginning of the call that I had with the vice president of Kevin Harrington's brand, the finance discoveries, and basically their research team. And keep in mind, Kevin Harrington was a former Shark Tank judge, has vetted out company after company.
Rebecca, I look for two things. I look for a product that solves a problem and a mass market product. And I think this meets both of those. Every pet store in America will want this product if you put this on TV. That's what I do, and I'm interested in this deal. So
Tons of companies, maybe thousands of companies, and he has a knack for looking for specific companies that offer really high quality products and services to people. And basically their team reached out to me, and they potentially want to partner with Pinnacle to help grow it and build it as a potential franchise. And on the call, I'm with the vice president and someone that works directly with someone that's worth, has a net worth of 400 million, according to several sources. But what does that mean to you? People know Kevin Harrington through the Shark Tank, and I'm just, it's pretty awesome that they did see a opportunity with Pinnacle out of the thousands and thousands of credit repair companies around. And so this is a big business opportunity for my business to grow and build an American brand and really help people. And so in the call, it's really short, but the audio cut out. Like I said, I'm not a professional videographer. I'm just here in my home where I comfortably like to work in case I'm traveling to any other place, just like many other CEOs and business owners. So basically, yeah, in this call, we discussed our doubts, our concerns, our potentials, and our aspirations to work with Kevin, and it looks pretty well. So this is going to be a serious thing. And in the call, I'm sorry that we weren't able to get the full call, but I'll just tell you kind of like what happened. And basically, I wanted to ensure that they properly vet out Pinnacle so we don't waste anyone's time and make sure this is the right fit. Here at Pinnacle, we are not interested in buying vanity metrics. It doesn't matter what brand that you are. We know Grant Cardone does this with several business owners and sells them a pipe dream, but we're not, I'm in no way a supporter of Grant Cardone or anyone like that. Our values as people don't align. And Kevin seems like a great opportunity to work with, and I wanted to create this B-roll with you to transparently show you and make a document record of what's happening with Pinnacle right now, where we plan to build the company. And when you first start out building a company, when you have no money, like how I started, you have to leverage people that are credible with high net worth and huge networks of people that have a track record of success. And now when doing business is tough. Business is not about picking perfect people. There's no such thing as perfect individuals. And just calling anyone that you dislike, that you're jealous of or insecure about a scam is just really immature in the business world. Although there are scams that do exist, it's definitely not one of them. But like I said, it's not my job to convince you. You're just going to have to do it yourself. I hope you guys appreciate this channel, continue to support and like. I'm going to leave content regarding entrepreneurship from the highest level. As you know, that was a call with a brand manager, a vice president of a guy that's worth over, well worth $400 million. When was the last time you were on a call with someone worth $400 million? That's not to brag. That's just to show you the level of that we're working with, and we're only going up and up and up. So, like I said, it's not my intention to be a YouTube star. Don't really care about all these haters on YouTube. I got a lot of stuff going on, so please continue to support the channel. If you want to refer your friends and family to Pinnacle Credit Repair to get the fastest credit repair service using artificial intelligence, that's actually precisely why they wanted to work with me. 2 reasons: how I represent my brand, who I am. I'm 100% transparent, and I'm not afraid of anything. And I want and have been building the best credit repair service that steers away from sending disputes by mail. We have something that is remarkably fast, better and more effective than just hiring some mailman service that downloads templates online. So anyway, I will be posting more content regarding this. I will update you on. We're going out to Fort Lauderdale most likely. I'm going to be on a call with Kevin pretty soon. Going to be in a 5-minute interview featured on Fox Business Network, Bloomberg, the United States television, right? Television. You might say, who watches television? Actually, millions of people still do. These business networks that have specific business channels that watch the stock market, that watch news, stuff like that. These are high net worth, high IQ people, not just dumb, degenerate people that want to fix their credit. Nothing against you, but we just have a distaste to work with financially irresponsible people that are broke, that are toxic, and just abuse the financial system. We need to be adults and tell them to correct themselves, as the ones that are not in error or have errors will do what they can to correct it, but also correct their financial habits. And that's why here at Pinnacle Credit, we don't just remove negative items because someone pays us to. That's like a bribe. You pay me some money to do work on you, but who are you? Maybe you did commit fraud. Maybe you did something. I'm not trying to be the credit repair police. It's not my job to judge, but we want to minimize our risk here. And as I said on the call, it's unfortunate you couldn't hear most of it, but I told their brand manager that I want to make sure that you really believe in Pinnacle if you want to work with us, and not just take a check from us to sell an interview, to put somewhere and just hope to God it works. But we really want you to hone in on the mission statement and core values of Pinnacle, because that's what we want to do. So anyway, hope you guys appreciate the video. Like, follow, subscribe, leave a comment, even if it's toxic.